Hi, I'm Belly. I'm the voice-based cooking assistant. My purpose is to help people on their kitchen. Feel hungry and don't know what can you cook with these products? No worries, I know everything about cooking and will make the cooking process much faster and easier. Hi, I'm Belly, your personal cooking assistant. What's your name?
Elmira.
Nice to meet you, Elmira. Do you know what would you like to cook with me?
No.
Let me help you to choose. What products in the fridge do you have?
I have asparagus, tomatoes, and macaroni.
Great. Using the asparagus, tomatoes and macaroni we can make a beautiful warm salad, or a wonderful green pasta. What would you like to cook?
Tell me more about the worm salad, please.
Warm salad is a fusion of roasted asparagus, sweet tomatoes, herbs and pasta. Mixing it with olive oil and salt we will get a delicious masterpiece.
Sounds good. Can you please show me the recipe on my iPad, please?
Here you are. Let's start. Wash and cut into small pieces your asparagus.
Thank you.
I'm a small smart speaker and can connect with the other devices and visualize each step. You can pair me with phone, tablet or laptop and see the images and text explanation of each step in the recipe while cooking. Dice tomatoes into little pieces. I can suggest a recipe based on the availability of food in the fridge, voice over every step while cooking, answer questions and even play music. I would be your personal mentor. You will become a guru of kitchen, and will no longer be afraid of the cooking.